Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Among Us. First, you will need to download the game. For mobile devices, head to your device's app store, like the Google Play Store for Android, and search for Among Us. On PC, you can find it on digital game stores. The game is quite small, usually under 250 megabytes, so it downloads quickly. Make sure your internet connection is stable for the best experience. Once you launch Among Us, you'll see options to host, find game, or how to play. To host, select Host and then Create Game. You can set the number of imposters from 1 to 3 and adjust other rules. If you want to join a public game, choose Find Game and browse available lobbies. For private games, enter the 6-letter code provided by your friend. As a crewmate, your main goal is to complete all your tasks, which are minigames scattered around the map, or to identify and vote out the imposters. Imposters, on the other hand, must secretly eliminate crewmates and sabotage the ship without being caught. When a body is reported or an emergency meeting is called, players discuss who they suspect. You'll then cast your vote or skip it to decide who gets ejected. To excel in Among Us, observation is key. Notice who is where and if anyone is faking tasks. Crewmates should stick together in groups of 2 or 3 for safety. Imposters should use sabotages wisely to create chaos and isolate targets. During discussions, present your evidence clearly and listen to others. Remember, a good alibi and consistent story are crucial for both roles to secure victory.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.